Hey everybody, it's me. I'm on with another haul. I've got quite a few coming up here, so be patient with me. Anyway, I think I'm going to go over for sure Hobby Lobby, and I have off of Etsy, Anna Wight. Jeez, I was just thinking about her name, and then I start talking and I can't think. She's on Etsy, Sweet Miss Daisy Designs, and I wanted this so much, this little floppy. So this is on there. This is called it's off the thing because I've been stamping with it. Happy Creativity, Cluck Cluck. I think it's called Floppy Bunny? Yeah. Oh, Raggedy Bunny, sorry. So you can add all these things. It comes with a space here that you can put this in there. So cute. And I have been coloring her up. I'll show you that in a minute. Look at this. This is a new set that came out this month for Easter. Cute. Do I have the other one? Yes, I actually grabbed the right one. And look at this. The frame. Oh, Anna, you really outdid yourself. These are adorable. So, so cute. And then I ordered her sweet paper. Impression Obsession went out of business, and so she's always designed for them, I know, and I think maybe that's what prompted her to start her own designs. Whatever, I'm enjoying them, Anna. They're very cute. Okay, and now I want her notepad. Tina, Crafty Bean. Hi, Tina, if you're watching, shared it. Look at this. Now, it is that shiny, which does not bother me, but some people don't like it. I love this because it's got the hearts and the gingham. Isn't that cute? You get all these different colors. I'm just going to fan it out. You get the... So pretty. So great, great job, Anna. I'm loving it. Let me show you what I've colored of my floppy bunny. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Oh, here's a bunch of stuff I just cut out to stamp on. Anywho, keep going, Kim. Focus, focus. My kids just sent me a picture of Tori and Vienna in the bunk bed. I'm like, what? They grow up too fast. So here's the Raggedy Bunny. I keep calling it the Floppy Bunny. It's Raggedy Bunny. So I did her in this color. And I did this one this way. And then this one, little Dr. Seussy. Looks like Cat in the Hat colors. Anywho. But yeah, it's cute. I love this Raggedy Bunny. So, so cute. All right. Then I'm going to keep going because I got HSN had a bunch of stuff. I can't. Oh, the secret sales they do on Craft Day. So that's where I go with that. I don't remember. And some of this stuff came in afterwards. Didn't come in. Well, obviously it all came in afterwards. Okay. But I mean, didn't come in at the same time. Plus, I hadn't put Unit B, so I had to go back to UPS and fix that. So then that took a while. Anywho, and then I finally put Unit B, and they put it on my neighbor's porch. I'm like, okay. I get how it's confusing, but at first the guy drove away. He would not put it anywhere because there was no... Anyway. Designed by Sam Poole. I don't remember. What did I pay for this? Cute. Oh my gosh. $13.48 for that. It's got I love her stamps. Her designs. Very cute. Okay. I love everybody. I do. Now I'm going down a whole nother rabbit hole, which I shouldn't, but I am. Okay. Anyway, I don't know what I got all this. I don't think I still have the receipt. It doesn't matter. If you want to see if it's still on there, go for it. Anyway, isn't this cute? So this little fairy's sitting in a teacup. Oh my gosh, it looks like my Tori. Oh, so cute with that curly hair. And then this one is by Pink Ink Designs. Stamped to Storm in a Teacup. Wee Folk. You're my cup of tea. You get a teacup. You get more than just... Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay. Yeah, all of this was like under 10 bucks, I think, each. Pretty cheap. So, let's see. What else? This is Stamps by Me. And she is from Britain, and it's just beautiful stuff. So this is the finished image. Isn't that pretty? So with her, you usually get like a kit type thing. Oh yeah. So there's this, the stamp set. Gorgeous. So fun to color up. Oh, look at the kite. There's kites. More than one. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. Okay. Enjoy the day, be patient, and trust your journey. Wow. Yeah. I believe in that. And then these stencils for clouds. Those will come in handy. Oh my gosh. And an embossing folder. Fluffy clouds. 3D embossing folder. Look at this. Wow. So very cool. Very excited. Will I get to Hobby Lobby? I don't know. You never know with me. Oh my God. I had the tongue out again. Somebody would mention that their dad used to do that. I was like, yeah, it's a thing. Concentration, whatever. Okay, throwing that down on the pile here. Oh, lordy. Then I saw these. I've never seen anything by... This is my Studio Light. This is what it does. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Grunge clear stamps. Very cool. And then this one, same company, but with roses. Aren't those gorgeous? And I love the background. I think this would be really cool to emboss and then watercolor or color it in. I could hold it back a little bit. So it's a pretty significant size. Studio Light. Never heard of them. Collection Grunge. Very pretty. Another one by them. This would make a pretty bookmark. Same kind of idea with pansies. Isn't that? It's not a pansy. That's like an iris. Does it say what it is? I'm so bad at my... Nope. It could be whatever you want it to be. I think that's like an iris just because of this. I don't know. Very pretty though. And let's see. Oh yeah. Creative Expressions clear stamp set. Designer Boutique Dear Friends. Isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh. That's kind of a spring summer look. The other day I had thrown an apple out and there was, I don't know if I told you guys this or not, because every day's a new day and I can hide my own Easter eggs, but I had thrown an apple out and I didn't realize all of a sudden there was 2 deer and I was like, Grandma, there's deer in the yard. Well, they found my apple. Apples are too expensive for me just to buy just for them, but if one goes bad, I always have good intentions when I buy apples. And then it's kind of like salad. I think it's because my tooth over here is sensitive. I'm getting it pulled like in early March. I've put it off, and it's getting sensitive, and I don't want to have an infection. So anyway, this is so cute. Time for Tea. Clear stamp by Creative Expressions. Oh my gosh. What is that little thing? These are... Oh, and then 2 stamps, so you get like a blueberry thing here. I don't know, what is that? A porcupine? What do you think that is? Comment below. You guys are so awesome about commenting below. Okay. That's HSN. That's Anna Wight. Highly recommend Anna. Go support her small. Oh! Here I talked about Joann's. I didn't think it looked like they were going out of business. All of mine are going out of business. Even the ones that seemed to be in good shape and doing well. It's like, okay, all right. So, end of an era. All right, went to Hobby Lobby. This is Gail's Fault Crafty Mim. I texted her and took a picture. I was buying. This is not clearance, but I did get some clearance stuff. $5.99. You're like, why are you showing me this? Because I poured this. I needed something. This is sitting on my mantle and I can see it. And it came with these. I wanted these in there. I didn't want buttons and I don't want candy in there because it just gets old. So, if they go on cheaper next week, I'm getting another bag. Before they go out of it. Are they going out of business? I mean, Yeah. Okay, anyway. Then look what I found, because Miss Tori's doing a mermaid birthday party in April. And this is a bunch of shaker parts underwater. I think there's a mermaid. Is there a mermaid in there? There's beads. Oh, this is fun. This is really cute. Little fish. Yeah, there's mermaids in there. Look at the big, I mean, pretty good size. $2.49. So, you know, a little more than 50% off because it was originally $5.49. Inclusions, it's called. But yeah. Add that to my stash of, you know, stuff. Giving this to Emma tomorrow. She and I are hanging out. She actually has. I went up to her school today and I went, oh, they have Friday and Monday off. We don't get winter break. Some of the districts around us have a winter break. It's like, good Lord, we just had. Anywho, but they get a 4-day weekend, so I forgot about that. But anyway, I saw this and I thought she likes her little headband. So half off of $3.49. I think I can splurge. She's coming over because Pam, hi Pam, gave us those gift cards. She is so excited. I saw her at school today. She goes, I can't wait till tomorrow. So Pam, you made one little girl very, very happy. And here is some of the inclusions. And this was $2.49 as well. And you get little conversation hearts. I love how it has the beads in there in different textures, right? So, yep. But, yeah, Crafty Mim, Gail. Hi, Gail. She texted me one day and goes, are you going to any of the hobby? Have you gone to the Hobby Lobby clearance? And I go, no, why? So, it's her fault. These are 40% off, and there's one for each girl, I think, when I go over to see my girlies. Pony 022. But to me, it could be a little wristlet thing. You know. Gotta wear green, so gotta get Tori. They are so cold over there. It's like -7 at night right now. My little Tori is, I go, they don't make her go out at recess, do they? And they go, oh yeah. I go, that's too cold. She's tiny. And then she had the flu and she has a hard time keeping weight on it. It's like, no. Grandma's going to go over there and give them what fur. I don't like that at all. Oh, and then this is Barbara Chubby Lovey. This is her fault. No, thank you, Barbara, for sharing this. I thought this was a great deal. $1.49 for these little acrylic circle keychains. I mean, I can make some cute stuff with that in the next 20 years. Better do it quick before my girls don't want that kind of stuff anymore. Let's see. Oh, and then the rabbit hole I'm going down is this. I used to do air dry clay, and so I don't know, this was on, I think it was, I don't know if it was on sale or whatever. But anyway, I want to do the air dry clay in there. Anyway, okay. And then, I said to the gal, I think this is kind of weird. I'm not going to argue with it because I've wanted one of these wood slabs. I don't know why I want this wood slab, but I have. I've been looking at them. It was in the party section. It's got a party thing on it. It's like, is that a mistake? But anyway, I got for $4.99, normally $9.99. Isn't that weird? I mean, what about this says party? Oh. Anyway, so there we go. My son, we got a family chat going on. So, when I get to Dollar Tree and stuff, I'll share. I'm not going to do Michael's right now. But I'm going to do the air dry clay, but I'll do Michael's really quick. I ordered a bunch of stuff. Look at this. This is the back of the bunny and the front of the bunny. But I got the air dry clay by Crayola. I think I'll let the kids use that. It was just like putty. I've done the Sculpey brand, so I put in an order for that. But anyway, these I got my 30 off, so I don't know. $5.99, 30 off of that, so $3.60. Cute. Oh my gosh. And look at the chickies. I mean, I don't need this many. This is in the baking section. And then these are too big. These. I don't know. Well, I mean, seriously, they're huge. So what's the idea? You just fill it and then put the front to the back, I guess, huh? Well, no, because these are really supposed to be treat molds. Anyway, I'll figure it out next year. So yeah, I've got time for Michael's, don't I? Oh, I've got more. I got more Hobby in the Lobby. Hang on, hang on. I went around and had my radar on, my clearance red tag radar. Isn't that pretty? A charger plate for $1.39, don't you know? And then I had to get this for the girls. Now, they had this out new, but this one was on clearance, $2.99. I just think this will be fun when all the girls are together. They can have their ice cream in here and their special spoon. Cute, cute, cute. For $2.99. It's less than $1 a thing. And then this was in clearance. I'm starting to get into my Cricut again. I've been using it for different things, so I want to do a Cricut vinyl on that for $1.24. That's cheaper than Dollar Tree. And then I wish they'd had two, because I have two boys that are both dads. But anyway, so I'll have to. This has the 4-finger handle, though. I don't know. I don't know if Eric watches this or not. He's got me into checking out the handles on the. He's a strange little guy. Love him to death. But anyway, he's got funny little things he likes. $3.24. This was on clearance. Normally $6.49. They have a Winnie the Pooh cup that does not have the 4-finger handle. No, sirree, bubby. $7.49 on clearance. I'm like, no, I like Winnie the Pooh, but not that much. Okay, I think. Oh, so I can show you this. There's rules, you know. I have to follow the rules. I got this. I made my wreath for, oh my lord, for Valentine's Day using a grapevine. So I'm going to use this one, and again, I got it on clearance, or 30% off of whatever this, how much this was, I don't know. Anyway, and I'm going to make, I've got some stuff from Dollar Tree that I'm going to decorate for Easter, not Valentine's Day. I almost said Valentine's Day. Yep. I bet there's more. I betcha. Yep, that's Dollar Tree. I know I got some Felton stuff from Michael's. Sorry, guys. But anyway, whatever. I've shown you enough. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the air dry clay, and I ordered some colored air dry clay from Temu. So, but I think you can paint the white stuff. So anyway, enough about that. All right, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.